Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Varis. Welcome you all in Healthcare with Dr. Varis. Viewers, today's topic which I have chosen for you is acne, pimples. This is the most common problem of our young generation because it causes disfiguring of their face. So these pimple can cause them to avoid to be face in the public. So this is the very common cause, and this occurs after 20 years and between the 25 years, and mostly they resolve by themselves, and they may long persist for up to 32 years. Their appearance becomes due to seborrhea and these comedones and inflammation of the face. The most common bacteria involved in this are the Propionibacterium acnes and the Staphylococcus epidermis, Malassezia furfur. These are the most common organisms involved in their appearance. Viewers, we have chosen this topic for you because this is very common cause, and the most people treat themselves from their general store cosmetic creams, and by use of these creams they cannot resolve their problems easily. As the bacterial organisms are involved in this, so the antibacterial therapy can be used for this, and not the general normal creams are used for this. So we are talking about now about the treatment of this disease. The treatment includes the isotretinoin, benzoyl peroxide, adapalene. These are gels and creams, and before we apply these creams we will use the Acne 8 bar soap, ZN bar soap, and these soaps before their application of the creams. So, and also including this the antibacterial tablets and capsules, azithromycin, clindamycin, erythromycin can be used in this. When these are resistant in females, then we use hormonal therapy, progesterone acetate, and because this is the treatment of these female acne. So we can avoid in this situation the most the lipid type diets which contains very fats, so we can also get rid of this disease of acne. So the treatment can be continued for this for 3 weeks at least, and then this problem can be resolved. So this is all about our acne. Viewers, if you have any comments and queries about these pimples, you can also ask and write in comment box. And this is all about acne. Take care. Allah Hafiz.